Nashville, so when I watch the first 48, I'm always like, where are the white people at? Apparently you're in Jackson. I was like, look at all these white people. I was nervous as hell. I was like, man, I hope this shit goes well, so I left my van running. I got a quarter tank of gas. This set gonna be quick. Yeah, man, I'm originally from Washington, D.C., and basically, you know, I live here. I moved here when I was 8 years old. So basically what that means is my mom took the Underground Railroad in reverse. I was like, this don't look like you're going the right way. I don't smell freedom. I got to the Tennessee-Kentucky state line. I was a little kid. I expected black people to be running out of the woods and I was taking freedom. And they did. They ran out of the woods. They just want me to take them to the store and get them cigarettes and beer and shit.